Architectural Builder Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Associated with a mortise cylinder. Specifically, you guys have, I don't know if it helps for me to tell you what I've found on your website. It's called a Kaba Ilco mortise cylinder with quick-set keyway entry in satin brass. And there's on mine, I'm replacing an old cylinder, and I'm buying, obviously, a new one. Mine has a little ring around it. I think they call it a collar or maybe a ring guard is maybe another word with you, or a blocking. Does that make sense?
Well, I understand the words and the order in which you're using them. It sounds like you're describing exactly what you've said: a cylinder collar, a trim ring, a blocking ring. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it comes with like I said, my original one has a trim ring. It's old, and I wanted to get a new one with it. And I'm trying to search your website. I'm not having good luck trying to find I would imagine you'd want to get a Kaba Ilco ring to go with it, unless you can tell me which one I would want to order with the cylinder itself.
I can. What is the cylinder that you're ordering?
It is Kaba Ilco 7205 KS1-04-KA2 with the quick set. Yeah, go ahead.
How thick of a cylinder collar do you want?
How thick of a cylinder? You mean the length or the width of it? It's a 1 1/4 inch. I'm sorry?
What shape is the cylinder collar that you would like? How would you describe its shape?
Cylindrical? I mean,
okay,
round?
I understand. Sure, they're going to be round. Would it be conical as well?
No, it's not.
Or is it just a flat collar?
It is. When you say flat, I mean the front of it is.
Okay. So the cylinder ring would have a definite, it would have, let's say that it has an absolute outside diameter, and it'll have an inside diameter too. It will also then have a thickness. So the outside I know is 3 inch. The ID is probably 1.17 inch. But then it'll have that third dimension, how thick the thing is.
Are we talking about the collar that I'm trying to get with you?
We're not talking about the cylinder. We're talking about the cylinder collar.
Oh, okay, great. Yes, the thickness of it. Ooh, it is correct. It is conical. Yes,
okay,
it has a taper. It has a taper to it. Yes, it does have the original one has a taper to it, I would say that it's about 1/8 of an inch, in its height. If you were to lay it flat on a table, does that make sense?
Yeah, I understand. You really probably the best term for this is just a trim ring. Let me get the part number for that.
And if it's it's only $1 or whatever. I know they're very inexpensive. So if it's a screw up, I can always use the old one. But the old one's tarnished and looks like crap. And I was just hoping to get a new one to go with it.
So here is okay. So you're doing, what color is the cylinder? You said was 04.
Oh, thank you. I was hoping to get satin brass.
Okay. So they don't have one in satin brass. They make it in polished brass. Well,
only in polished.
Yeah, let's do this. In that search box, in that search box, type in the asterisk right above the number 8 key on your keyboard.
Yeah, 1 sec. Go ahead.
Then 861 S as in Sierra, and then hit enter.
Okay. I'm getting air louvers.
When that comes up, go to page 13.
Okay, final page.
And then scroll all the way to the bottom.
Okay, yep, I see 4. Yep, that looks like what I'm looking for, correct.
Okay. So they only
Polished
make
brass, polished chrome, satin chrome, Duracolor brown. So only in polished brass.
Yes, sir.
Gotcha. So I would have mismatched metals. How much are they? For $2.19. Yeah. Okay. Great. I'll probably I'll add that to my order, and if I don't, I can always like scuff it up a little bit with some steel wool if I want to get rid of the polished look.
You could break the lacquer a little bit.
Yeah.
Tone down the polish portion, sure.
Yeah. Good. Okay. Great. I'll add that to my order, and that'll obviously be the one. Good. Okay. I'll try that out. Thanks very much.
My pleasure.
Terrific.
Sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program.